Today we are doing a photo shoot using a translator.
今日は翻訳を使って写真撮影をしています。
わかりました。
I understand.
Yeah.
Got it. I was saying to myself, this is like an episode of 90 Day Fiancé. You know how they use the translator? Do you watch 90 Day Fiancé? Whoa, what's going on? Is he talking? Sir, okay, stop. Don't embarrass me in public. So she's teaching me Japanese. I'm teaching her some English. Even though she's very good at English. I love her posing. It's so cute. She's very good with movements. You are doing amazing and you are the best model.
あなたは素晴らしいことをしており、あなたは最高のモデルです。
I love this thing. I really should learn more Japanese though. Let's do Sydney. Love this. Ski desu.
Thank you. I like it.
Watashi wa ski desu. No, did I just say I love you? They told me not to say ski desu. Did I say I love her? I like the yes. Ski. あなたは好きです。好きです。好きです。See, but my shadow's getting in this. You have to be careful when you're shooting in direct light. Like my shadow's getting all over her. There we go. Do something like this. Hi. Very good. A little like this. Okay. Yes, good job. Gonna cross the street. Okay. Okay. You like the dress? One pisu? See, I know one pisu. I'm learning. The Rosetta Stone paid off. I know 3 words. Do you watch 90 Day Fiancé?
90日の婚約者見てますか?
Oh, it would have been this situation right here.
ドラマ?
Drama?
ドラマ?
Drama, yes!
面白い。
There are people, they get married but only communicate through a translator.
結婚しても通訳を介してしかコミュニケーションを取らない人もいます。
なんで?
It's a show. It's a show.
そういうドラマなの?
そうです。
Show desu. Show.
あ、リアリティ?
Hi.
Reality
Hi.
show.
Yes, reality show. What we could be 90 Day Fiancé. Friends edition. Friends. Yes. The light gets tricky over here. Oh my god, she keeps talking. Okay, how do I shut this off? Okay, let's just turn the hair. Ma'am, thank you, but not right now. Love that. She has the cutest smile. You have a very nice smile. She already knows.
よく言われます。
It is often said.
Oh, I love that. I love this so. It is often said. That is so poetic. Let's cross the street.
ここに立てますか?
Koko ni timasu ka?
立てますか?
Koko mo tate?
ここに立って
Koko ni tate
ください。
kudasai. Okay. Koko ni tate. Okay. Koko ni tate. She's just such a good model. I want to just shower her with compliments all the time, but gotta pull out the translator. Even though she does, I feel like you understand what I'm saying. See, she knows. She knows. Yes, love that. Ski desu. Is that wrong? Ski desu? Good. It's good. Love it. Can you say love it in Japanese without saying I love you? This video is a Rosetta Stone tutorial. Love that. Yes, stay like this. Hands here. Yes, good. Ocha?
Ah, no
You want your ocha?
more. No more.
No more?
No more.
Okay, you want to drink? Okay. Got it. Got you, I got you. We got the model some tea, paradise tea. Gotta stay hydrated out here. I want some peach tea, that would be nice. You like peach?
I like peach, but I don't like peach tea.
Sweet potato?
Sweet potato.
Yeah, do you like that? Next time, we'll get sweet potatoes.
ちょっと。
In February, when I come.
2月ね。ちゃんと分かってるよ。ちょっとだけ。
Chotto.
Chotto.
That means a little. Your English is so good. So good, really. Yes, you're doing good. Yes, doing good. Maybe like, oh, or that. Okay, yes. Stay right there. I feel like this is her photo shoot and I'm just a photographer, but I love it. You're just so, she's amazing. Good job.
なんだろう。昔。あー、返せない。
Hold on, girl, I got you, I got you. I got the trick.
話せない。
I really should learn the language, I should.
ねえ、なんて言おうかな。話せなくて悔しい。
I regret not being able to speak.
Oh, it is my fault because I should know Japanese because I'm in Japan.
私は日本にいるので日本語を知っていなければならないので、
そんなことはない。
それは私のせい。
My fault. Yes, it's my fault. You're so cute. You can learn English with me anytime you need help.
助けが必要な時はいつでも私と一緒に英語を学ぶことができます。
ありがとう。